over here belittling me every fucking time. Giving me something, taking it back every fucking time. This shit gets annoying. You know how far I could have been. You know how far I could have been. We're at this again. If you want to go and work at Wendy's, little mama, go. Go, little mama. I told you, I am not one of dam's, girl. I'm not one of dam's, baby girl. Go figure your shit out the same way I did. It took time. And it took a lot of bullying on this shit from y'all. It's no different. Who the fuck banned somebody on their birthday? Y'all. Dumb for that shit. Y'all dumb for that shit. Y'all been violating this lady on this app. Who the fuck removes a sound? You knew what was gonna happen. You knew she was gonna pull up with a fucking attack because you have been rejecting this girl. You're a fucking brain surgeon, you dumb prick. You knew what you were fucking doing. So don't come over here with your dumbass lies. Cause I'm fed up of this shit. You know what I'm saying? You give me something, you take it back. You give me something, you take it back. It'll never stay. Why? Cause you a fucking mama man. That's what you are. You a mama man. You walk and you bully this person. You see, you literally walked and cyber bullied this girl the whole time. You want to know why? Because she out here doing shit that you not doing. She out here doing shit that if I gave you the same money to do the shit, you would have never chose that. That's enough said. I got all I needed to get off my chest, and I said what I said. I have 11 accounts, and I still stand on what I stand. That's why the black community population is going down so much, because being bullied on the internet, they all feel like they fucking ugly. It's the truth. Now, moving on.